Dear friends, now we are going to see a demonstration on how to use the Bandicam software for recording your lecture. So the advantage of using the Bandicam is, unlike the PPT to video conversion, here you can have your webcam overlay. So that is the teacher. You can select your video overlaid on the your presentation video, lecture video. So that is another that is advantage of using the Bandicam software. So we already see how to install the Bandicam software. You can open the Bandicam software by double clicking the Bandicam icon on the desktop. So it will open the Bandicam software. So the other advantage of using the Bandicam software is you can capture the desktop screen of your PC or laptop. So this will be very useful for recording the simulation of softwares and other experiments. Whereas in the PPT to video conversion method, you can only make videos for your theory lecture. Whereas this Bandicam software is used to create videos of your software class demonstration or your and other simulation softwares like that. For that kind of video creation, practical classes video creation, you can use the Bandicam software. So once you open the Bandicam software, the screen will be like this. So the first step is you have to choose the area of the video. So in which area of the system you can select. So these are the various options available. You can select a small area, or you can select a rectangular area of various sizes, and you can go for the full screen, and you can see the area around the mouse is selected. So now I am selected the full screen. Okay, so there is an option to add webcam overlay. If you want to have your webcam overlay, you can check this. Here you can see that once the tick box is removed, the webcam icon is hidden. If you tick, the webcam icon is highlighted, that is the webcam is activated. So where you want to find out the webcam settings, that is your webcam overlay, you have to go for this settings icon here. Here you can go for various other options are available for sound, mouse and other things. The most important settings you are looking for is the webcam setting. Here this is the area of your webcam overlay. This is the video, this is webcam overlay. You can change the webcam overlay position by clicking the advanced. Here there are various options available. You can see the webcam overlay positions are changed. So this is the most used method of having your webcam overlay at the right side bottom. So now I choose the webcam overlay and click OK. So these are the settings you have to consider before recording any video. So you have to select the area, you have to select the webcam position, whether you need webcam or not, and then you can go for the recording. So this is the recording button, and also this is stop button after recording. And once the video is recorded, it will be stored in the folder icon here. Where you can find the open or output folder. So these are the basic keys required for recording the Bandicam. So now let us go for recording a video of our video. Now we are going to see how to record a lecture using Bandicam. So for that I have prepared a PowerPoint presentation which is available in my desktop. So you can see that this is the PowerPoint presentation. So I already told you the advantage of using Bandicam for recording is that the simulation of softwares, demonstration of softwares, practical classes can be handled with the help of screen capture, whereas the PPT to video conversion is only helpful in handling the theory class. Okay, this is my presentation. So now I am going to start the lecture using the presentation. We already enabled the webcam overlay also. So now we can go for the recording. Okay, so I have to press the record button. So then you can go for your presentation. As usual, you can go for the slideshow. Whatever you want to convey to your students while you are in taking the regular classroom, you can go on adding your speech, that is your audio narration. So based on the slides you have prepared. Okay, so now for just for the sake of a demonstration, I am skipping those things. I am going in a faster way. So I am made a presentation on components of solar water heater. So the basic components are flat plate collector, storage tank, and connecting pipe. So the solar water heaters are basically of two types. One is called the active system, the other one is passive system. And natural circular solar water heater system is shown in the figure, where the storage tank is located above the level of collector. Due to gravitation force, the water will flow inside the system. So this is called a natural circulation system. In forced circulation system, we have solar water heater fitted with pumps. So this is a method in which the tank can be conveniently placed. It need not be always higher level than the other systems. So this is called a forced circulation water system, since the water is forced to the system through a water pump. So this is my presentation. Now the presentation is over. Now I can go for the Bandicam and we can stop the presentation, and we can go for we can open the output folder. You can see that the recorded video is stored in the output folder. So here you can see that so this bottom right side is your webcam overlay. So since I have closed the webcam area, it is in the black color. So if you are open your webcam area, your face will be visible here. That's all. Thank you.